Okay, this is a voltmeter in Python. Let me start off by showing you the meter itself. This is an Arduino. We're using an Arduino Mini and a ADS 1115 16-bit A/D converter with a voltage divider. 10K is the input, and between the 10K and the 1K is the input to the A/D converter. On the other side of the 1K is ground, so it makes a little voltage divider, and that's it for that. And as you can see, it's the voltage is 1037, and we have a super speed battery, Hot Wheel, from somewhere, and it's showing 1030 right there. So it's fairly accurate. And so let me go over the code here, how it started. This code is Adafruit's single-ended Arduino, which I modified to just do one channel. Get this down here, you can see it. So down here at the bottom, we've got it so you got the single end. All these have been lined out, so you only have one voltage ADC 0 running, sending data out. And this line of code here is a line of code I borrowed from New Song's Arduino code, and the Python part of it I borrowed this serial decode bytes. So, and that is in right here. So that's what gets it to work. And there's also another piece of code from Electronoob, where we are doing the conversion right here. That's in his code. So we're using that, and New Song's code, Arduino, Adafruit's code, and one other person's code. That is Nerd Guru. That's his code for a PIC chip. So we just modified it to use an Arduino. So let's take a look here in the very beginning. Let's see here. So I have COM3 at 9600, and you can see the geometry of the voltmeter very right there, and there's a quit button and read volts, and we're using Tinter, so we're doing a try except block, so it reads the serial port and baud rate, and it repeats the process over and over, so it keeps reading it. And then down here we have the makeup of the window itself, the Tinter window. See if I can get that back up. Yeah, there we go. 1036. Let me read, see if I can read a different voltage here. Let me pull that off of the let's see if I can read the code. Read the someone need a light for that. Read the voltage from the Arduino itself. Let's see here. Oh yeah, there we go. Second pin. Second pin on this side. Let's see here. Connect it real quick. Okay. So we have the 3.3 volt reference right there, and it's showing 3.3 up here. I connect my voltmeter to it. You go right down here. So it is 328, and it's 330 here. So it's fairly accurate. And good weekend project. Last week it was getting this to work, getting these parts put together, and this week was getting the software to work. And next iteration of this will be a 4-channel voltmeter. And I will post a copy of this code into the GitHub. Put a link to the GitHub on the video. Again, this is just you can see right here the digital voltmeter. Where is it? Right here. For the label header. And text to volts right there. And let's see, where's the quit button? Command quit button right there. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.